How to clean your Apple products. Get recommendations and guidelines for cleaning your Apple computer, iPad, iPhone, iPod, display, or peripheral device. Apple products are made with a variety of materials, and each product might have specific cleaning requirements which vary by the part you're cleaning. To get started, here are some tips that apply to all products. Today we'll be discussing how to clean your iPad. To clean iPad, use a soft, slightly damp, lint-free cloth. Avoid getting moisture into the openings. Avoid abrasive cloths, towels, paper towels, and similar items that might cause damage. Don't use window cleaners, household cleaners, compressed air, aerosol sprays, solvents, ammonia, abrasives, or cleaners containing hydrogen peroxide to clean iPad. iPad has an oleophobic coating on the screen. Simply wipe iPad's screen with a soft, lint-free cloth to remove oil left by your hands. The ability of this coating to repel oil will diminish over time with normal usage, and rubbing the screen with an abrasive material will further diminish its effects and might scratch your screen. Don't get moisture into any of the openings. Don't use aerosol sprays, solvents, or abrasives. Don't spray cleaners directly onto the item. If liquid makes its way inside of your Apple product, get help from an Apple Authorized service provider or an Apple retail store as soon as possible.